Hello and welcome to another video where we will discover a special app that automatically generates $800 per day, making you richer by the day. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Have you ever found yourself spending endless hours trying to piece together the perfect travel itinerary? We've been there too. Planning a trip can be daunting, especially when exploring a diverse and captivating country. That's when the light bulb moment occurred. What if there was a way to simplify the process and ensure that every moment of your journey was thoughtfully mapped out in advance? That's how the idea of a trip itinerary came to fruition. We realized that by having a meticulously crafted plan, we could optimize our time, discover hidden gems, and truly immerse ourselves in the beauty of each destination. No more guesswork or last-minute decisions, just a carefully curated roadmap to guide us through the new places, sights, sounds, and flavors. How to make money out of this? Here's how. Step 1. Get ready to explore the wonders of DIYtrip.com or Roamify. Prepare to be amazed by this incredible website that will revolutionize how you plan your trips. We all know the frustration of spending countless hours researching and organizing every detail, but fear no more. Roamify is here to save you precious time and effort by serving as your travel genie. What sets Roamify apart is AI-powered awesomeness. This ingenious tool utilizes advanced technology to gather reliable insights and logistic information, allowing you to plan your dream trip effortlessly. Best part? It's lightning fast. With Roamify, you can plan a trip to any city in the world within seconds. Gone are the days of endless research and confusion. But that's not all. Roamify goes above and beyond by providing you with a one-click booking. Say goodbye to the stress of finding the best deals and managing multiple tabs. With just a simple click, you'll be on your way to securing your reservations hassle-free. And guess what? You can even download Roamify as an app. Carry your personal travel genie right in your pocket, so whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, Roamify will always be at your fingertips, ready to make your travel dreams a reality. It's time to bid farewell to the headache of trip planning and embracing a new era of effortless and enjoyable adventures with the help of Roamify, your ultimate travel companion. Step 2. Sign up for Roamify. Once you're on the website, sign in using your Facebook or Google account for a seamless sign-up experience, or opt for the old-school method by logging in with your phone number. Once you've successfully logged in, get ready to be blown away by the simplicity and effectiveness of Roamify. It all starts with placing an order and sharing your travel goals and to-dos. Now hold on tight because here comes the exciting part. You'll gain access to Roamify's DIY travel plan editor, which is packed with incredible travel proposals just waiting for you to dive in. These travel proposals are top-notch, but here's the kicker. You can customize them to fit your preferences perfectly. Roamify wants you to have the trip of a lifetime, and their editor provides ample options to make it happen. Once you've perfected your plan, simply hit that submit button. Now this is where Roamify truly shines. Their dedicated team springs into action, handling all the necessary bookings and crafting the final itinerary. But they're not just any team. They have connections with local travel experts and an in-depth knowledge of their destinations. These experts work their magic to curate travel proposals specifically tailored to you. Roamify isn't only focused on luxury travel plans and is passionate about securing the best deals for you. Their team goes the extra mile to ensure you get the most experience for your buck. They want you to have a luxurious experience without breaking the bank. And here's the best part. They've got your back even while you're on a trip. They're available to assist you whenever you need a helping hand. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Step 3. Enter your destination and travel dates to kickstart your excellent travel plan. Let's dive right in and create an unforgettable itinerary. Look for the text box on the Roamify homepage labeled Going To. Now, consider where you want to go and enter your desired destination. Once you've locked in your destination, it's time to enter your travel dates. Simply input the dates in the designated spot. Now you're almost there. Click on the vibrant yellow Submit Trip Request button, and here's the exciting part. You won't have to wait long. In a matter of seconds, voila! You'll have your very own detailed trip overview right in front of you. This overview is excellent as it lays out all the incredible things you can do each day of your trip. Guess what? It even provides you with a lowdown on the weather. No more guesswork about whether you'll need shorts or an umbrella. Roamify has your back. But hold up, there's more. Have you noticed those little arrows next to each activity? Go ahead and click on them. You'll be rewarded with even more juicy details about each activity. Roamify makes it incredibly easy for you to have the trip of a lifetime. Every step of the way, they provide you with the tools and information you need to make the most out of your journey. Let Roamify work its magic in creating a personalized itinerary that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Step 4. Create a stunning travel plan using Canva Docs. Open your web browser and type Canva Docs in the search bar. Click on the first link, which will take you to the Canva platform. If you don't have an account already, don't worry. You can easily sign up for free and unlock a world of design possibilities. Once you're signed up and logged in, it's time to unleash your creativity and start crafting your personalized travel plan. Look for the purple Create a Visual Document button and give it a click. You'll be directed to a blank document where you can begin writing. Now let's make this travel plan shine. Start by giving it a captivating title. Remember that detailed trip overview we received from Roamify? It's time to bring it over to Canva Docs. Copy and paste all the information, including the images, into your Canva document. To make your travel plan engaging and eye-catching, leverage Canva's diverse elements. Get creative and add fantastic visuals, icons, or even photos to spice things up. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to save it. Save your travel plan as a PDF file, ensuring it's easily shareable and maintains a professional appearance. Now you're ready to showcase your beautifully designed travel plan to friends, family, or fellow travelers. Step 5. Sell your travel plan as a digital product on Etsy and unleash its potential. Now that you've created an incredible travel plan worth its weight in gold, it's time to share it with the world and generate some serious income. And where better to do that than on Etsy? Let's get started. First, head over to the Etsy website. Once you're there, it's time to showcase your travel plan to potential buyers. You have the freedom to set a price for your masterpiece. Take a look at other travel plans listed on Etsy, ranging from as low as $4 to upwards of $20 or more. Determine the value of your work and price it accordingly. Now, it's time to create a listing for your travel plan. Start by creating an Etsy account if you haven't already done so. Look for the option to create a new listing and seize the opportunity. Craft a catchy and attention-grabbing title for your listing. Let it shine and entice potential buyers. Next, showcase your masterpiece by adding captivating photos or screenshots of your travel plan. Give potential buyers a glimpse of what they can expect. Describe your travel plan in detail, highlighting the amazing activities, hidden gems, and insider tips you've included. Paint a vivid picture of the epic adventure awaiting your customers. Don't forget to choose relevant categories and tags for your listing. This will help potential buyers find your travel plan easily. Once your listing is live on Etsy, you'll be ready to earn passive income on Autopilot as buyers discover and purchase your digital product day after day. Congratulations! You have successfully transformed your travel plan into a valuable digital product and listed it on Etsy for the world to see. Get ready to share your expertise, make a profit, and bring joy to travelers seeking unforgettable experiences. The transformation of your travel plan into a valuable digital product marks the beginning of an exciting journey as an entrepreneur in the travel industry. By leveraging the power of technology and embracing platforms like Etsy, you can showcase your creativity and expertise to a vast audience of travel enthusiasts. Through your well-crafted travel plan, you can ignite the wanderlust in others, inspiring them to embark on incredible adventures. With its bustling marketplace and global reach, Etsy becomes the perfect stage for you to shine. As you set a price for your digital product, consider the value it brings to travelers seeking unique experiences. Your travel plan can cater to diverse needs and preferences, from budget-conscious explorers to luxury seekers. With captivating visuals, vivid descriptions, and insider insights, you have the power to transport potential buyers to dream destinations and offer them a taste of the extraordinary. So seize the opportunities these tools present, but also remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. And best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.